Welcome to my new world of camping. I've never owned a camper before and didn't want to spend a lot of money in case I didn't like it. And I've always been pretty good with my hands. So I figured I would pick up something and put it back together. I looked at vintage trailers, I looked at all kinds of trailers, but it had to be towed by a 1998 Dodge Dakota with a V8 engine in it, which has a 200 load capacity for towing. Didn't want to push it to its limit. I didn't want something that was real high either because the Dakota is a smaller truck. So I looked into a lot of things, A-frames, pop-ups, all kinds of stuff. Found that the pop-ups can be picked up, older ones, for a fair price, and then you fix them up. Did a lot of studying, did a lot of reading, lots of YouTube videos. So I'm wondering why I'm actually going to add to that. But I'm going to try and give you my journey, piece by piece, as we go through this thing. As we come up here, you'll see that there's a lot of things to go on here. The person who owned it before me didn't even know it had electric brakes on it. Never used the pull-out emergency brake for it. He never used the battery for it. Never boondocked. I'm going to be doing some boondocking, so I'm going to have to set that up. There's cracks that he tried to fix in different ways, not successfully. As you go around the trail, you'll find things like the 30 amp port for the cable has got a cap missing. They used this tape to try and fix the cracks. Problem with it is that to me it looks hideous, and it didn't do a good job because he never drilled any of the holes in order to stop them. He just threw tape on them. So the holes never stopped growing. We got to fix that. As we come down along here, it's actually not in too bad a shape. Interior is in really good shape, but it still has some changes I'm going to make there. Tail light lens is broken. As we come around, it's pretty dirty. Now on this side, you will see there's some labels, the Southeast America there. And as you come around, you'll see I started doing some stuff. I have a lot of work to do, as you can see, on the outside. He used this to seal up these seams that were made to be sealed up.